JKR അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. അത് തന്നെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിലോ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എങ്കിലോ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം. കാരണം ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനിൽ ലഭ്യമാവുകയുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ പ്രൊജക്ട് അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് യൂണിറ്റ് മാനേജർ അതിന്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ മോഡൽ എക്സാം ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മോഡൽ എക്സാം സാധാരണ PSC എക്സാം പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് മോഡൽ എക്സാം തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ PSC എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് തന്നെ മോഡൽ എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അതിനുശേഷം ആൻസർ കീ ഞാൻ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യുന്നതും അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ഞാൻ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ആൻസർ കീ ആയിട്ട് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും ലഭിക്കുന്ന മാർക്ക് എത്രയാണ് നിങ്ങൾ എനിക്ക് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്യുക. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മാർക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥിക്ക് പ്രത്യേക പ്രശംസ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മോഡൽ എക്സാമിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. Which of the following is true about the principles of management? Option A, the principles of management are in a continuous process of evolution. Option B, the principles of management have evolved. Option C, the principles of management have not evolved. Option D, none of the above. Which of the following best describes the principles of management? Option A, they help managers take decisions while performing managerial functions. Option B, they denote a cause and effect relationship. Option C, they are guidelines for further action in management functions. Option D, all of the above. The main reason why principles management do not provide ready-made solutions for all management problems is that dash. Option A, they act as general guidelines for business related issues. Option B, the real business issues are pretty complex. Option C, the real business issues are very dynamic. Option D, all of the above. One good thing about the principles of management is that it helps understand the relationship between human and material resources in achieving the organizational goals. Which feature of the principles of management is described in the above statement? Option A, behavioral. Option B, cause and effect relationships. Option C, use the resources and effective administration. Option D, none of the above. The principles of management emphasize logical decision making and avoiding bias or prejudice at all costs. The above statement points out that knowledge of these principles help in dash. Option A, scientific decision making. Option B, providing managers with valuable information. Option C, meet the changing requirements of a business environment. Option D, all of the above. Which principle of scientific management says that employees must be rewarded when they make suggestions that lead to cost saving within the company? Option A, cooperation not individualism. Option B, harmony not discord. Option D, science not a rule of thumb. Option D, all of the above. Dash means communication without words. Option A, objective communication. Option written communication. Option C, oral communication. Option D, non-verbal communication. The person who transmits the message is called. Option A, channel. Option B, sender. Option C, receiver. Option D, response. Dash aims at making people work together for the common good of the organization. Option A, communication. Option B, conversation. Option C, combination. Option D, connection. At each stage in the process of communication, there is a possibility of the interference which may hinder the process. Such interference is known as dash. Option A, sender. Option B, receiver. Option C, barrier. Option D, none of them. Dash describes all forms of human communication that are not verbal. Option A, prosody. Option C, vocalics. Option C, haptics. Option D, paralanguage. Normally, communication is dash rare in the information or message is transferred from one person to another. Option A, impersonal. Option B, interpersonal. Option C, personal. Option D, important. The term financial statement covers option A, profit and loss statement. Option B, balance sheet and profit and loss statement appropriation account. Option C, profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Option D, all of the above are false. The form of balance sheet is option A, vertical. Option B, horizontal. Option C, horizontal and vertical. Option D, horizontal or vertical. The term current asset does not cover option A, car. Option B, debtors. Option C, stock. Option D, prepaid expenses. P&L statement is also known as statement of operations, statement of income, statement of earnings, all of the above. Which of the following is true about the financial statements? Option A. Financial statements give a summary of accounts. Financial statements can be stated as recorded facts. Option A only A, only B, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Which of the following statements are true? Option A, financial statements are only interim report. Option B, financial statements are also known as annual reports. Option C, financial statements are historic. Option A both A and B. Option B both A and C. Option C both B and C. Option D A, B, C. Overall profitability ratios are based on option A investments, option B sales, option C A and B, option D none of the above. Return on proprietors funds is also known as option A return on net worth, option B return on shareholders fund, option C return on shareholders investment, option D all of the above. Return on equity capital is calculated on basis of fund of equity shareholders, option B equity capital only, option C either A or B, option D none of the above. While calculating earnings per share, if both equity and preference share capital are then option A preference share is deducted from the net profit, option B equity share capital is deducted from the net profit, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Which ratio is considered as safe margin of solvency? Option A liquid ratio, option B quick ratio, current ratio, none of the above. The ideal level of current ratio is 4:2, 2:1, both A and B, none of the above. Current ratio is taken as a crude ratio because it measures only the quantity of current assets. Option B measures only the quality of current assets. Option C both A and B, option D offering dimensions. Liquid ratio is also known as option A quick ratio, option B asset ratio, option B working capital ratio, option D stock turnover ratio. Option A and B, option B A and C, option C B and C, option D C and D. The ideal level of liquid ratio is 3:3, 4:4, 5:5, all of the above. Debt equity ratio is sub part of option A short term solvency ratio, option B long term solvency ratio, option C debtors turnover ratio, option D none of the above. Liquid assets is determined by option A current assets stock prepaid expenses, option B current assets stock plus prepaid expenses, option C current assets plus prepaid expenses, option D none of the above. Which of the following is not included in current assets? Option A debtors, option B stock, option C cash at bank, option D cash in hand. Higher the ratio, the more favorable it is doesn't stand true for option A operating ratio, option B liquidity ratio, option C net profit ratio, option D stock turnover ratio. The most precious test of liquidity is quick ratio, current ratio, absolute liquid ratio, option D none of the above. Which statement is prepared in the process of funds flow analysis? Option A schedule of changes in working capital, option B funds flow statement, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Funds flow statement is prepared on the basis of data of P&L statement and two consecutive balance sheets. Option A true, option B false, option C value delivery, option D none of the above. Which of the following rules stands true while preparation of schedule of changes in working capital? An increase in current assets increase working capital, an increase in current assets decrease working capital, an increase in current liabilities decrease working capital, an increase in current liabilities increase working capital. Option A and C, option B A and D, option C B and D, option D A, B, C and D. If reserve for bad and doubtful debts is mentioned in the question of funds flow statement preparation, it can be shown as in the schedule by deducting from total debtors under current assets, option B in the schedule separately under the heading of the capital liabilities, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Fund flow statement is also known as option A statement of fund flow, option B statement of sources and application of funds, option C statement of sources and uses of funds, option D all of the above. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following is not true about capital budgeting? Option A. Capital budgeting decisions have influence on the future stability of an organization. Option B. Capital budgeting decisions include investments to expand the business. Option C. Capital budgeting decisions are not of an irreversible nature. Option D. Sunk cost is a part of capital budgeting. അടുത്ത question. Why is evaluating capital budgeting decisions based on cash flows? Cash is more important for an organization than profits. Option B. Cash flows are much easier to calculate compared to profits. Option C. Both A and B are incorrect. Option D. Both A and B are correct. That is a project whose cash flows are not affected by the expected acceptance or rejection of the other projects. Option A. Risk-free project. Option B. Low-cost project. Independent project. Option D. None of the above. Which of the following would be the result of including flotation cost in the analysis of a project? It will increase the initial outflow of cash for the project. Option B. It will increase the rate of return for the project. Option C. It will increase the net profit present value NPV of the project. Option D. It will have zero effect on the current value of the project. What should be the criteria of selection when choosing among mutually exclusive projects? Option A. Selecting a project with a lower cost of capital. Option B. Selecting a project with the quickest payback. Option C. Selecting a project with the longest payback. Option D. Selecting a project with the highest net present value. Which of the following is true for a project with a shorter payback period? Option A. The project will have more net present value. Option B. The project will have less net present value. Option C. The project carries a greater amount of risk. Option C. The project carries lesser amount of risk. Which of the following is the term that describes the amount of time taken for a capital budgeting project to recover its initial investment? Option A. Investment period. Option B. Redemption period. Option C. Payback period. Option D. Maturity period. Which of the following can be criterion for the acceptance of a project? Option A. The profitability index should be greater than utility. Option B. The internal rate of return should be greater than the cost of capital. Option C. The net present value should be greater than zero. Option D. All of the above. Which of the following is true for a project with a shorter payback period? Option A. The project will have lesser risk. Option B. The project will have less net present value. Option C. The project will have more net present value. Option D. The project will have a greater risk. The word retail is derived from the dash word. Option A. Latin. Option B. French. Option C. English. Option D. German. Retailer is a person who sells the goods in a dash. Large quantities, small quantities, both A and B. None of these. The main objective of management is dash. Profitability, sales growth, return on investment, all of these. In retailing, there is a direct interaction with the dash. Option A. Producer, option B. Customer, option C. Wholesaler, option D. All of these. Retailing creates dash. Time utility, price utility, ownership utility, all of these. Dash activities performed by the retailers. Assortment of offerings, option B. Holding stock, option C. Extending services, option D. All of these. The term stakeholders with includes dash. Stockholders, consumers, suppliers, all of the above. Dash represents how a retailer is perceived by consumers and others. Option image, sales, profit, none of these. The functions of manager start with option A. Buying, option B. Planning, option C. Organizing, option D. Supervising. Management is what a manager does given by option A. Henry Fire, option B. W. Taylor, option C. Dinger, Pangre, option D. None of these. Human resource management process consists of dash. Option A. Recruitment, option B. Selection, option C. Training, option D. All of these. Dash is the process of seeking and attracting a pool of people from which qualified candidates for job vacancies can be selected. Option A. Selection, option B. Advertisement, option C. Compensation, option D. Recruitment. Dash gives the nature of requirements of specific jobs. Option A. Human resource planning, option C. Job descriptions, job analysis, none of these. Dash is a kind of internal sources of recruitment. Option A promotion, option B employee recommendation, option C transfer, option D all of these. How will you avoid the unauthorized user trying to access the system? Option A log out, option B close the file, option C close the window, option D close the application. It is a quick and easy way to change the direction of the entire document on page in MS Word. Effects, option B themes, option C customize, option D orientation. In Word document, the text behind the content of the pages. Option A behind text, watermark, paragraph text, option D background text. In MS Word, how do you choose the color of the background of the page? Option A fill color, option B fill effect, option C fill pattern, option D page color. Which is used to insert outline for a page. Option A style, option B border, option C pattern, option D page or border. Which option changes text wraps around the picture? Text wrapping, image wrapping, picture wrapping, graphic wrapping. Now the technique to justify the text around the picture. Option A position, option B square, option C tight, option D true. Footnote and endnote is provided to provide like caption, option B heading, option C equation, option D comments. Which tab is used for proofing the document? View tab, reference, review tab, page layout. In MS Word, caption is used to option A view the label, option B insert endnote, option C delete comments, option D insert the labeled confirmation. Website is a collection of dash. Option A web page, option B HTML page, option C both A and B, option D HTTP page. Moving from one web page to another web page is known as attaching, changing, downloading, browsing. Computer which stores the different web page is called service provider, option B web browser, option C web server, option D terminal. Software which allows the user to load a web page is called option A operating system, option B website, option C browser, option D home page. The extension of .com, .edu, .org, .net, etc. are usually called option A network, option B IP address, option C domain name, option D mail ID. Which one of the following is an internal hardware of a computer? Option A monitor, option B speaker, option C video card, option D microphone. The example for an external hardware of a computer is RAM, option B mouse, option C sound card, option D motherboard. The full form of CPU is option A central priority unit, option B central primary unit, central production unit, central processing unit. The CPU comprises of dash and dash. ALU and CU, option B ALU and input unit, option C U and output unit, option D input and output unit. It is used to plug external device at the back of a computer. Option A slot, option B board, option C socket, option D interface. One of the men dash attend the meeting. Option A have, option B is, option C has, option D are. I prefer chocolates dash nuts. Option A than, option B to, option C less than, option D more than. Yesterday I met a dash old man. Option A and, option B A, option C that, option D none of these. If you study well, you option A will succeed, option B succeed, option C will have succeed, option D would succeed. Rahul usually dash newspaper in the morning. Option A read, option B reads, option C has read, option D reading. Arjun has been living here last 5 years. Since option B before, option C before, option D by. Karthik speaks English in fluently. Dash. Option A does he, option B do he, option C doesn't he, option D don't he. Elephant is the dash animal on land. Option A biggest, option B bigger, option C bigger, option D none of these. I have got headache. Correct the sentence as. Option A, I have got a headache. Option B, I got a headache. Option C, I had got a headache. Option D none of these. Tom asked the stranger, where did you go? The sentence can be reported to Tom asked the stranger. Option A, where he has gone. Option B, where he had gone. Where he went. Option D, where do you go? Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Option A, Kolluru Lake. Option B, Pulikkad Lake. Option C, Nalsarovar Lake. Option D, Mular Lake. Which is the largest library in India? Next, Baksha Oriental Library, or say Singha Library, State Central Library, and the National Library of India. Which is the biggest milk plant in India? Berka milk plant, or Mother Dairy, or the Brunette Dairy, or the Loriana Dairy. Which was the first milk powder plant in India? Keda District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Magasana District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Banakta District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Sabarkanda District Cooperative Milk Producers Union. Which is the largest selling baby food in India? Amul Spray, Parex, Nestor, Nusby. Which is the tallest medieval building in India? Bilam Tower, Qutub Minar, Minaret of Jam, option D, Galata Tower. Which is the oldest and largest monastery in India? Option A, Chemist Monastery, option B, Tawan Gompa, option C, Enrolling Monastery, option D, Rumtak Monastery. Which is the largest mosque in India? Option A, Jama Masjid, option D, Makkah Masjid, option D, Babri Masjid, option D, Moti Masjid. Moti Masjid. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched RuPay card phase 2 in which neighboring country? Option A, Sri Lanka, option B, Bhutan, option C, Myanmar, option D, Bangladesh. Digital Sankam, which was seen in the news recently, is a capacity building initiative for which sector? Option A, banking, option B, MSMEs, option C, education, option D, telemedicine. Answer key description box answer key ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഓരോരുത്തർക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്ന മാർക്ക് മെസ്സേജ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മാർക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് പ്രത്യേക അഭിനന്ദനം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടമായി ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം. പരമാവധി എല്ലാവരിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കും. കൂടി നിർത്തട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.